Hey, welcome back to the garage. Today, quick video. I'm actually in the midst of doing all my wiring right here, and I'm going to use the starter solenoid in the stock spot, which is just front of the shock tower on the passenger side. But I was looking at it, and there are holes in the shock tower, but there are no J-clips or there's no way to fasten it. So I don't know if there was nut and bolt in there previously. But I do have a whole selection of Rivnuts. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to install some Rivnuts. That way, just bolt the starter solenoid on nice and easy, and don't have to worry about having a nut on the back side or J-clips or anything along those lines. So quick video today, but hopefully it'll be useful and just food for thought, right? If some of y'all are thinking about doing something similar. So let's head on over to the engine bay. All right, so starter solenoid right here. There are two holes right here, which you may be able to see, and bolts right there, just like that. And various posts to do different things. You have power in, power out, some other stuff I don't remember off the top of my head. And you can see the holes right here are, they're just, I don't know, they may have been threaded at one point, but they're all kinds of boogered up. So what we're going to do, like I said, we're going to toss some Rivnuts in there. It'll be covered up by this, so you won't even be able to see them. But it'll provide a much more secure, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, fill in the blank. It'll be more secure. So for those of you that don't know what a Rivnut is, it is this thing right here. Hopefully you can see that. So you see there's a shaft, a little collar right there, and then some knurled bits. And on the inside, it is threaded. So I'll be using 1/4 inch nuts or 1/4 inch bolts. So it threads in just like that. Cool, easy peasy. So what you do is you drill out these holes big enough for that shaft to slide into. And then this tool right here, you screw the Rivnut actually on there. You shove it in the hole, you pull that together, and what that does is that actually pulls this down and mushrooms it and pinches the steel, right, the actual sheet metal in between that collar and the mushroom bit right there. It's exactly like a rivet for those of you that have used it before or used a rivet before. So I got my drill all set up, and what we're going to do is drill those two holes out a little bit so the Rivnut can fit in there and get this thing mounted. Just use this little rat tail just to clean this up a little bit. You know, we don't want to have... Oh, that ain't working. I just want to clean up a little bit of twisted metal there because I don't want it sticking out. There we go. I want this to be nice and clean. You know, what I really should do is get one of those little reamer things that clean out the inside diameter of things just like this instead of using a screwdriver, which is the wrong tool for the job, but that'll work. That will do. Oh, like a glove? All right, cool. So let's get our Rivnut tool set up. Screw that guy in there. Toss this in here. Keep it nice and flush and square. Come on. Come on, get off of there. There it is. Stick her in there. Keep it nice and flush. And then screw it on a little bit more just to make sure it is in fact tight. All right, cool. Some people don't like Rivnuts, and I totally get it from a structural standpoint, but there's nothing structural about a starter solenoid. But you know, I do want it secure, and again, this is a 57-year-old car that who knows what's actually been done to this, and I'm not using their OEM fasteners. There may be a special OEM size that fit in there perfect. I'm not using it, right? I have some you know, pretty decent grade 5 hardware. Come on. And that'll be good. Let me get a little extendo. And there you have it, folks. Rivnut super secure starter solenoid in a 1966 Mustang. But anyway, appreciate y'all coming along. Hopefully that was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. And I'll see y'all next time. All right, bye.